Hello everyone, welcome to the Dassa Buddy YouTube channel. So as usual, I know you are here today to learn something about technology. So today's video is also about technology. Stay tuned because the best is for last. So today we will talk about how to use technology safely. Before going to the video, I also want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe now and like the video. So without further ado, let's go to today's video. In today's world, almost everything we do involves the internet. Shopping, banking, working, or simply socializing. While the digital world brings convenience, it also comes with risks. Hackers, scammers, and malicious software are lurking online, waiting to exploit vulnerabilities. But don't worry, you can protect yourself with a few basic cybersecurity practices. Here's your beginner's guide to staying safe online. Number 1. Strong passwords are your first shield. The first step to online safety is creating strong, unique passwords. Avoid common choices like 123456 or password. Instead, use a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. For instance, Tema3 to learn 2024 is far stronger than Tim 2024. Use different passwords for each account to ensure that if one gets compromised, the others remain safe. Password managers like LastPass or Dashlane can help you manage and generate strong passwords effortlessly. Number 2. Enable two-factor authentication. 2FA, even the strongest password can be vulnerable. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of security. With two-factor authentication, you need to verify your identity through a second step, such as a text message, email, or an app like Google Authenticator, after entering your password. This way, even if someone steals your password, they can't access your account without the second factor. Number 3. Think before you click. Be cautious of links and attachments in emails, messages, or ads. Cybercriminals use phishing scams to trick people into sharing personal information. If an email claims to be urgent, like your bank account will be locked, pause and verify the sender. Never click on suspicious links or download files from untrusted sources. Remember, legitimate organizations won't ask for sensitive information over email. Number 4. Keep your devices updated. Software updates often include patches for security vulnerabilities. Cybercriminals exploit outdated systems to gain access to your information. Ensure your devices, apps, and antivirus software are up to date. Turn on automatic updates to stay protected without extra effort. Number 5. Use secure connections. Public Wi-Fi networks in cafes, airports, or hotels can be risky. Hackers can intercept data shared over these networks. Avoid logging into sensitive accounts while using public Wi-Fi. For extra security, use a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your internet connection. Number 6. Back up your data. Imagine losing all your photos, documents, and files due to a cyber attack or device failure. Regularly back up your important data to an external hard drive or a secure cloud storage service. This ensures you can recover your information if the worst happens. 7. Educate yourself and stay alert. Cyber threats are constantly evolving. Stay informed about new risks and learn how to recognize them. Many free resources and videos online can help you keep up with cybersecurity basics. Remember, awareness is your best defense. By following these simple steps, you can significantly reduce your risk of becoming a victim of cybercrime. Cybersecurity isn't just for experts, it's for everyone. Protecting yourself online ensures your digital life remains safe, private, and stress-free. Stay secure and happy browsing. This guide is your starting point. Share it with friends and family so they can stay safe too. And remember, a little caution goes a long way in the digital world. So think about how to use social media correctly and safely. So I'm going to stop the video for today while giving advice on how to simplify your daily routine by using social media correctly and safely. Everyone, be careful. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe now and share it with your friends. So I'm saying goodbye today, hoping to see you in a new video. Have a good day, everyone.